quickly the states. Assam, Arunachal Pradesh, Mizoram, yeah, all these 7 sisters. So all these together form your Northeast India. The highest rainfall is in Arunachal Pradesh. Assam. Highest rainfall is in Mawsynjuri, and then the second is Cherrapunji.
Okay.
The peak, tell me about the mountain peak. Kanchenjunga. Yeah? Third highest in the world. Yes? First is second is K2. Fantastic. So this is all about your Northeast India. Rice is their staple food. We have 6 varieties of rice grown in this region. King chili is the hottest chili. In Assam, it's known as Bhojolakya. Okay, it is measured on a scale of 1 to 10. Scoville's measurement known as, and the heat unit is 1,40,000 heat units. The basic economy is bamboo. In Hindi, you call bass. 63 species of bamboo are grown here. They basically rely on bamboo for their needs, their basic economy. You can see these beautiful products out here. They are made from bamboo. This is Indian cobra. Come ahead. One-horned rhino, state animal of Assam. Yeah. First, people had a belief in the ancient years that if they wear this ring of this horn, they will become immortal, never die. Yeah. But now, conservation is going on. Kaziranga National Park alone has 2,290 rhinos. What's the difference between this rhino of Assam and Africa? One-horned rhino. Those are 2 horns. Yes. Fantastic. Come ahead. Let's study something about the birds. Black-breasted parrotbill. It's endemic to Northeast region. What do you mean by endemic word?
It is only
Fantastic. You guys understood about biodiversity, what we exactly mean by that? Yes. We all come under that?
Yes.
Fantastic. Then you can see this greater Ajujan stork, 5 feet in height. What's your height? 5'4". It's like 5 feet, something around here. It eats food and then stores the food in this sack for the baby. So when they reach back to their home, they vomit it out because of the muscular strength of their neck. Okay? This bio-weaver bird. Now is the season where they weave the net, especially in the palm trees. Yeah. And spotted munia, because spots everywhere on the body. Spotted munia. Woodpecker is seen everywhere. We have hornbill as well. Vultures, they are about to become extinct. Why? 92% have already been gone. We just have remaining 8%. That's why they are considered in the category of endangered, about to become extinct. Why? Anybody, any idea, girls? Anything seen on Discovery, National Geographic channels? You know what happens when your cattle or goat or anything, they get hurt on their legs or something? A painkiller, a veterinary drug is injected into them. That's known as diclofenac. And these are scavengers. In your food chain, you have producers, consumers, decomposers, scavengers. Okay, there's more detail into that, but I'm just saying the basic names. So these vultures, they eat those cattle, right? And when they eat, they even ingest the diclofenac drug. Their body cannot metabolize that because they form uric acid, which disturbs their entire kidney system. Now, the drug has been banned in 2007, so now there's a replacement of that drug as well, but still through illegal market, the cheap drug is being sold. So now let's hope for their conservation. And these are few birds. Many are migratory from here, and endemic, as I told you, parrotbill and greater Ajujan stork. They are endemic to the northeast. Okay, let's move.